Hello and welcome to today's video, an unboxing of the M-2J1R Membrane Dehumidifier set. Let's have a look. This is the M-2J1R membrane. This is great for 3D printing setups, solid and compact and no bigger than a deck of cards. But don't let the size fool you, this is a powerful bit of tech. This solid-state dehumidifier has no moving parts, no fans, just silent moisture control. It absorbs humidity and protects your filament from getting ruined by moisture. Here we have the external housing. As you can see, you need to put the O-ring in there to create a good seal for when you're mounting the membrane. Make sure that it goes into the grooves. Here we have the V-Reg2 VRS330, specifically designed for the M1 to the M3 membranes, pre-wired with connectors for the M series. Here you want to find the V-Reg2 housing slot. Make sure you put it in the right side up, and once you've got it in there, just make sure the back clip is securely fixed and holding the V-Reg in place. Next, you want to make sure that you wire up the terminals correctly with the negative to negative and positive to positive, as a reverse polarity can cause ill effects on the membrane. Here we are just fitting it inside the case nice and flush, very user-friendly. Next, you want to get some of the bolts from the M5 PKT fixing kit, and then you want to get your container. Make sure you mark and cut out the bolt holes and vent holes correctly. If you have a flexible container, the back plate is there to help support any flexibility in the container to make sure your seal is good. Don't forget to add the gasket in between the housing and the container. Now you just want to make sure you get your washers and the nuts on just to make sure it's a secure fit. These housings are perfect for fitting onto the side of the bamboo AMS. Great thing with these is once you've got it installed, there is no maintenance, no changing of silica packs. Just plug it in and let it do its thing. It's simple, silent and trouble-free, and whether you're printing with PETG, nylon or TPU, this little guy could save you hours of failed print and wasted material. Thank you for watching, and we'll put a link in the description for anyone who's interested in viewing our products. Like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos showing off these amazing bits of tech, and remember to protect your print from moisture the smart way.